So what newspaper you generally read or have read till now? द हिंदू. इंडियन एक्सप्रेस वाले कौन है? छोड़ दो इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, ठीक है. It has gone bad. I mean, it used to be good. So how do you read newspaper till now? कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं अभी तक? Do you make notes? Acha. So are you tech savvy? Would you like to make notes in a diary or you would have some MacBook or something? कैसे करना है आप लोगों को? About the keywords. अच्छा. See, I would suggest that you write actually. ठीक है? Don't go for iPad and all because when you like कर सकते हो कोई problem नहीं है. But when you do that, you tend to save lot of articles rather than reading it. But when you write, you maintain a separate diary. It helps you to remember things, and especially once you have written something over there, you can always go and revise. Got it? So we'll start with Hindu. बहुत आराम से आज I will take I think 2-3 newspapers and I'll let you know how to actually read newspaper. Okay? Starting with today's newspaper. निकालिए पेपर. हाँ सॉफ्ट भी चलेगा, कुछ भी चलेगा. या अरे वो पॉल साइंस के लिए है ना, मैं जीएस की बात करूं. ठीक है, ऐसे तो पॉल साइंस के लिए बेस्ट इज हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स. ठीक है. Yeah, international relations, you can read multiple editorials. You have to identify the scholars basically. तो आप गूगल करोगे तो इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में भी लिख रहे हैं वो, ORF में भी लिख रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में भी लिख रहे हैं. तो देयर यू विल हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द स्कॉलर्स कि भाई इसराइल पे कौन सा स्कॉलर लिखता है, पैलेस्टीन पे कौन सा स्कॉलर लिखता है, मिडिल ईस्ट पे कौन सा स्कॉलर लिखता है. देन यू हैव टू रीड देयर राइटअप्स. ठीक है, तो वो पॉल साइंस की अप्रोच अलग है. जीएस के लिए स्टिक टू हिंदू. ठीक, चलिए. So starting today's newspaper, come to first page. First page. Now the very first news: 6 Congress rebel MLAs disqualified in Himachal. Now is this newsworthy? Should you read it? आप लोग बताओ, मैं जानना चाह रहा हूं. शुड यू रीड इट? बाय डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ मेंबर्स. ओके, किस में जाएगा ये? पेपर 2 में जाएगा, पेपर 3 में जाएगा? पेपर 2 में जाएगा. सिलेबस कितनों को याद है? यहां पे पहला काम आज आप करेंगे, अपनी टेबल पे सिलेबस चिपकाइए एथिक्स तक पूरा. ठीक है, यू शुड बाय हार्ट योर सिलेबस. ओनली देन यू कैन लिंक कि भाई इसको मेरे को किस में डालना है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज बाय हार्ट द सिलेबस, टेबल पे चिपका के रखें. ऑप्शनल सबका PSIR है. ठीक है, तो दैट विल हेल्प अगेन. ठीक है, अब देखो ये पहली पेज की न्यूज नहीं पढ़नी है एक्चुअली. ठीक है, दैट्स जस्ट अ पॉलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट, बट इसका एनालिसिस आगे जाकर पेपर में दिया हुआ है विथ रिगार्ड टू 10th शेड्यूल एंड वेदर राज्यसभा वोटिंग कम्स अंडर डिफेक्शन और नॉट. ठीक है, वो मेजर आपका पॉलिटी का इशू बनेगा, नॉट दिस न्यूज. ठीक है, आप इसको बट ब्रॉडली एक बार पढ़ सकते हो. ठीक, नाउ फर्स्ट पेज में और कुछ नहीं है, लीव फर्स्ट पेज. सेकेंड पेज ऐड है. नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 3. पेज नंबर 3. Now there is a news: LG threatening officers to stall schemes of Delhi government, Kejriwal in Delhi Assembly. ठीक, again you won't get much views or much items for your UPSC preparation, but this can be used as an example, as a case study to tell that how Delhi administration or the problems between LG and the assembly here leads to the problem of governance in the Delhi administration. ठीक है, रीड करके छोड़ना है, इसको कहीं लिखना भी नहीं है. दिस इज अ mere political example, but you should be aware because आप लोग एकदम अभी ग्रेजुएट होके आ रहे हो या ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हो, you might not be aware of all these developments. Okay, just give it a read, nothing else. Now come to नीचे वाला न्यूज. most adolescents unaware that sexual intimacy of any degree is punishable. ठीक है, अब पेपर 2 में there is one topic in social issues, vulnerable groups. ठीक है, पेपर 2, GS पेपर 2, vulnerable groups. Now teenage are a vulnerable section because youth as a component will come under your demographic section itself. तो पॉस्को एक्ट से रिलेटेड जितने भी डेवलपमेंट्स हैं यू शुड नो अबाउट इट. ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज जस्ट अ न्यूज बट देयर आर सर्टेन पोर्शंस वेयर दे आर टेलिंग अबाउट दैट अंडर पॉस्को एक्ट something like consent does not exist. So if somebody who is already adolescent has not matured till the age of 18, if they are indulging in sexual activities even when they have given a consent, that consent won't matter. ठीक है, तो पॉस्को एक्ट जो है वो कंसेंट के लिए है. नाउ व्हाई दिस न्यूज बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज देयर इज अ डिबेट व्हिच इज गोइंग ऑन दैट शुड वी चेंज द एज ऑफ कंसेंट. ठीक है, एज ऑफ कंसेंट और एज ऑफ मैरिज में डिफरेंस होता है. ठीक है, वो सब बहुत डीप एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, यू विल कम टू नो अबाउट इट व्हेन वी प्रोसीड इन योर जीएस क्लासेस. बट फॉर टाइम बीइंग इस न्यूज को आपको लिख के रखना है डायरी में. सो मेंटेन अ डायरी. ठीक है, कोई आपको सेपरेट टॉपिक वाइज नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, डे वाइज बनाइए. पहली चीज, वीकली रिवीजन आपको जरूर करना है. ठीक है, सो डायरी में आप लोग लिखोगे पॉस्को एक्ट. लिखो लिखो पॉस्को एक्ट, POCSO, पॉक्सो एक्ट, पॉक्सो एक्ट, POCSO कैपिटल लेटर, पॉक्सो एक्ट. एंड एरो करके लिखो एज ऑफ कंसेंट, एज ऑफ कंसेंट. ठीक, ऑल्सो एरो करके लिखो व्हाट आर द व्यूज ऑफ लॉ कमीशन, व्हाट आर द व्यूज ऑफ लॉ कमीशन. ठीक, तो read this write up once you go home. You will get that law commission is not in the favor of reducing the age of consent. ठीक है, लेकिन ये अभी बहुत ज्यादा समझ में नहीं आएगा. just to familiarize yourself with the terms of what will be coming in newspapers आने वाले दिनों में. ठीक, now come to page number 4. Page number 4. Now there are last में there are two news. One is ZSI names a newly discovered sea slug after President Murmu. मिला? अब साइंस एंड टेक का कोई माई बाप नहीं होता यूपीएससी में. ठीक है, यू विल डू द बेसिक बुक्स एनसीईआरटी और जो क्लास में कराएगा, लेकिन यूपीएससी का जो मन में आएगा वो पूछेगी साइंस एंड टेक में. एंड दे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे पिक दीज वियर्ड टर्म्स फ्रॉम न्यूज़पेपर्स ओनली. तो ये आपको रटना पड़ेगा, समझ में आए या ना आए. ठीक है, ऑल्सो इट्स अ लॉन्ग ड्रॉन प्रोसेस. आप सोचो कि मैं 2 दिन करके साइंस थक गया, नहीं चलेगा. ये सब आप एक जगह पे लिखना चालू करिए. नाउ व्हाट इज सी स्लग एटसेट्रा, वो यहां पे दिया हुआ है इस राइटअप में. खासकर लास्ट के 3 पैराग्राफ्स, लास्ट के 3 पैराग्राफ्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट हियर. तो ये अपने वर्ड्स में, एग्जैक्ट कॉपी नहीं करनी है आपको, अपने वर्ड्स में कि जो सी स्लग्स होते हैं बेसिकली आर फाउंड मोर इन इंडो पैसिफिक सच एरियाज. इंडिया में डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ के पाए गए हैं. इनका बॉडली स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है वो उसमें लास्ट के 3 पैराग्राफ्स में बताया गया है, वो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, साइंटिफिक नेम नहीं याद होता छोड़ देना, बट जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड सी स्लग एंड इट हैज बीन नेम्ड आफ्टर प्रेसिडेंट मुर्मू. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ कम टू राइट न्यूज. नो फर्दर पेरोल टू राम रहीम विदाउट द परमिशन, सेज हाई कोर्ट. What term are you coming across here? एक नया टर्म मिल रहा है, पेरोल. ठीक है, पेरोल क्या होता है ये आपका काम है जाकर के गूगल करना और 2 लाइन में लिख के रखना कहीं पे. ठीक है, न्यूज़पेपर मैगजीन्स ये सब कवर करती हैं लेकिन इतना माइन्यूटली नहीं करती. दे डू इट ऑन अ मैक्रो बेसिस. गॉट इट? सो जस्ट राइट द टर्म पेरोल. व्हाट इज पेरोल? ठीक, तो आप गूगल करेंगे 1-2 पन्ने निकल जाएंगे. तो स्टार्ट रीडिंग ऑल दिस स्टफ. नहीं लिख पाते हो दिमाग में रखना स्टार्ट करो, ऑप्शंस देख के दिमाग चलता है. ठीक, नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 6. पेज नंबर 6. presidential nod for Lok Ayukt bill is victory for Kerala, blow for Khan, LDF. ठीक. Now, in lot of opposition ruled states, what is happening is that governors are not passing the bill. ठीक है? Why? Because the constitution does not clearly restricts the time limit when governors have to give the assent. पहली चीज. Secondly, Article 200 to Article 201(2), they provide the provisions when governor can reserve certain bills for the president. ठीक है? तो केरला के जो गवर्नर हैं उन्होंने ये किया. नाउ दैट बिल वेंट टू प्रेसिडेंट. प्रेसिडेंट ने एक बिल को हाँ दिया है, बाकी बिल्स को नो बोला है. अगेन they use this as an example on federalism issue. ठीक है? तो इसको भी रीड करके रखिए. जस्ट साइट इट एज अ केस स्टडी फॉर इमर्जिंग फेडरल इश्यूज. ऐसे नोट करिए वहां पे, इमर्जिंग फेडरल इश्यूज, इमर्जिंग फेडरल इश्यूज. ठीक. नाउ कम टू नीचे वाली फोटो दी है, रिदमिक रिचुअल मिला, उसमें एक लाइन दी है, पढ़िए. थय्यम आर्टिस्ट परफॉर्मिंग दी चला कडन कट्टू मक्कम, जो भी है वो मिला. अब थय्यम आपको पता होना चाहिए, थय्यम कहां परफॉर्म होता है, थय्यम होता क्या है. ठीक है? कल्चर. यूपीएससी यही सब फालतू की चीजें उठाती है कहीं से, एंड दे आस्क यू टू पिक द ऑड वन आउट एंड आस्क यू द क्वेश्चंस ऑन कल्चर. ठीक है? तो ये फोटो हमेशा देखनी है. हो सकता है यू माइट नॉट गेट एनीथिंग. ठीक. नाउ कम टू बिलो वाला न्यूज. एमिड राव टूरिस्ट रिजॉर्ट टू ऋषिकोंडा इन वाइजैक इनॉग्रेटेड. मिला. अब इसमें एक टर्म आ रहा है, आई थिंक फर्स्ट कॉलम थर्ड पैराग्राफ, CRZ. फर्स्ट कॉलम थर्ड पैराग्राफ, कोस्टल CRZ. मिला. सी, आजकल के लोग जी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? मैं आज के हिसाब से चलता हूं, हमारे जमाने में जेड बोलते थे. ठीक. CR. अब कोस्टल रेगुलेशन जोन इज अ टॉपिक फॉर एनवायरमेंट. ठीक. दे कीप आस्किंग क्वेश्चन एवरी नाउ एंड देन. गवर्नमेंट हैज थ्रू वेरियस रेगुलेशंस try to control what activities can be done in CRZ and what cannot be done in CRZ. ठीक है? तो एक CRZ अगर आया है तो जस्ट गूगल और थोड़ा सा पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, अदरवाइज ये एनवायरमेंट में आएगा. ठीक. नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 10, एडिटोरियल. पेज नंबर 10, एडिटोरियल. लेफ्ट मोस्ट एडिटोरियल है, एन एक्स्ट्रा बर्थ. मिला. इसका सेकेंड पैराग्राफ इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट इज टेलिंग राज्यसभा में डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में किन किन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के पास कितनी सीट्स हैं. ठीक है? वेरी प्री ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चन. इट कैन बी आस्क्ड इन प्रीलिम्स, अरेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर द वेरियस पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैव इन द राज्यसभा सीट, इन द राज्यसभा. ठीक है? तो ये आप लोग जॉट डाउन करके रखोगे. सबसे पहले कौन होगा? ऑब्वियसली बीजेपी. देन सेकेंड इज कांग्रेस. ठीक है? उनमें बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है, एंड बीजेपी इज ऑलरेडी रीचिंग द मेजॉरिटी मार्क. ठीक है? दे आर जस्ट 4 सीट शॉर्ट. एनडीए, नॉट बीजेपी. बीजेपी की तो और भी कम है. ठीक है? तो ये सेकेंड पैराग्राफ आप पढ़ के रखेंगे. नाउ कम टू ई एविडेंस न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉ, इट्स इंप्लीमेंटेशन. ये छोड़ देने का. ठीक है? जो भी एडिटोरियल स्टार्टिंग के 2 पैराग्राफ में समझ में नहीं आता, छोड़ दें उसको. ठीक है? परेशान नहीं होना है. दिस इज अ डेवलपिंग न्यूज. ठीक है? 3 न्यू बिल्स हैव कम अप. ठीक है? उनको आप अभी 2024 आई थिंक जून में बोला है कि अप्रैल में बोला है, आई थिंक जून 2024 से दे विल कम इनटू इफेक्ट. इसको नहीं पढ़ना है, ये लॉ ऑप्शनल वालों के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, नॉट फॉर पॉलिटिकल साइंस. आपको क्या जानना चाहिए? जस्ट 3 थिंग्स. कौन से 3 बिल आए हैं, वो किसको रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं, दैट्स इट. ठीक है? ये आप छोड़ सकते हो, एडिटोरियल काट दो. नाउ कम टू बिलो न्यूज, द अंडरस्टैंडिंग द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इनफॉर्मल वेस्ट पिकर. ठीक. राइट अ क्वेश्चन, राइट अ क्वेश्चन. लिखो. What do you understand by extended producer responsibility? What do you understand by extended producer responsibility, लिखो, do you think that EPR has not helped informal waste pickers? ठीक, अब ये कहां आएगा आपका? जीएस पेपर 2 वल्नरेबल सेक्शन अगेन, ठीक है, उसमें वल्नरेबल सेक्शन लिख के छोड़ दिया है, अब वो किसी को भी वल्नरेबल बना सकते हैं यूपीएससी. नाउ दिस आर्टिकल हैज कम अप, सो यू शुड नो हु आर इनफॉर्मल वेस्ट पिकर्स एटसेट्रा. आई एम गिविंग यू 5 minutes, जस्ट रीड दिस एडिटोरियल एंड देन टेल मी क्या ये क्वेश्चन इस एडिटोरियल से लिंक हो रहा है कि नहीं. टेक 5 minutes. कितना टाइम लगेगा पढ़ने में? डोंट हैव न्यूज़पेपर? Take 5 minutes, read this article and let me know. Done? ये लिंक हो रहा है क्वेश्चन अब इससे. अब मुझे बताओ इसका इंट्रोडक्शन क्या होगा, जस्ट सोच के बताओ, मतलब कुछ भी जो भी दिमाग चला आर्टिकल पढ़ के. व्हाट शुड बी द इंट्रोडक्शन? मान लो 10 मार्कर जीएस में आया है, व्हाट वुड बी योर आइडिया ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूसिंग दिस क्वेश्चन?
Right now it is helping out the informal workers, like waste pickers. It parts the restrictions on like industries, like the manufacturing industry. First of all, studied with data, 0.92% of the working population are engaged in this work globally.
ठीक है, देखिए, EPR is a broad concept which is given with regard to solid waste management. ठीक, तो उन्होंने सही पकड़ा, solid waste management. अभी नहीं आएगा आप लोग को क्योंकि आप लोग बहुत फ्रेश हो, but when you do environment and ecology, there you will get to know that urban waste या solid waste management के कुछ rules आए हैं, evolve हुए हैं, उसमें EPR guidelines as a concept दी गई, that they have extended the responsibility to the producer. तो मान लो आपने लैपटॉप कहीं से खरीदा, तो वो लैपटॉप बनाने वाली कंपनी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो आपसे ई वेस्ट कलेक्ट करे. ठीक है, दिस इज एक्सटेंडेड प्रोड्यूसर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ठीक, ये किस में आ रही है? सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट में आ रही है. तो योर ब्रॉड इंट्रोडक्शन शुड बी गिविंग सम डेटा अबाउट व्हाट इज द स्टेट ऑफ सॉलिड वेस्ट कलेक्शन इन द कंट्री और अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, जिसके कारण आपको ईपीआर जैसा कॉन्सेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ रहा है. ठीक है, जीएस के हमेशा क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे भी इंट्रोडक्शन शुड बी कॉन्टेक्स्ट बेस्ड. ईपीआर इज कमिंग विथ रिगार्ड टू मैनेजिंग सॉलिड वेस्ट. Now, why solid waste is a big problem? Because the kind of urbanization we are going through, it is mostly led by e-waste. Okay? और उसमें EPR का कॉन्सेप्ट लाया गया है. इसमें देखो साफ दिया हुआ है, आप आओगे अगर सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में, second column, last paragraph. Although the solid waste management rules 2016 mandate the inclusion of waste pickers in municipal solid waste etc. and EPR guidelines 2022 published by Ministry of External Affairs दिया है. तो आपको ये सब बताना पड़ेगा कि ये गाइडलाइन पब्लिश कौन कर रहा है, कहां से ये रूल्स आ रहे हैं, कहां से ये रूल्स नहीं आ रहे हैं. मेंस के आंसर में ये सब चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती हैं. बट फ्रॉम योर प्रीलिम्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या चीज पकड़नी है यहाँ पे? आपको 2016 का जो सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट रूल है वो पकड़ना है. सीपीसीबी दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे एक टर्म आया है, सेंट्रल पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड. सीपीसीबी की क्या रोल्स हैं, ठीक है, वो क्या करता है, वो आपको एक क्विक गूगल करना है. ठीक है, वो सब डिटेल में होगा, बट यू हैव टू फैमिलियराइज इट. ठीक है, राइट हैंड साइड पे ईपीआर गाइडलाइंस कौन इशू कर रहा है? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स. दिस यू शुड नो. प्री में दे कैन आस्क EPR guidelines are issued by अर्बन मिनिस्ट्री और एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्ट्री। ठीक है, कंफ्यूजन हो सकती है, अर्बन मिनिस्ट्री क्यों, क्योंकि सॉलिड वेस्ट में आ सकता है, बट दीज गाइडलाइंस आर बीइंग इशूड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट। गॉट इट? तो ये सारे एक एक फैक्ट्स आपको अभी से जॉट डाउन करने पड़ेंगे कहीं पे। ठीक है, बहुत माइन्यूट फैक्ट्स हैं बट यू कांट हेल्प इट। फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आइए, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकेंड पैराग्राफ, ILO की डेफिनेशन दी हुई है, दी है, ये एक लाइन लिखनी पड़ेगी आपको, बाकी डेटा यू कैन लीव, यू कैन कांट रिमेंबर कि भाई कितने परसेंट कितना कचरा उठा रहे हैं नहीं उठा रहे हैं। ठीक है, व्हाट इज द ओवरऑल क्रक्स ऑफ दिस राइटअप, दैट EPR गाइडलाइंस आर नॉट हेल्पिंग इनफॉर्मल वर्कर्स, उन्होंने एक्सक्लूड किया हुआ है ज्यादा उनको, दे आर नॉट इंक्लूडिंग। व्हाई? EPR लीड्स टू कॉर्पोरेटाइजेशन ऑफ वेस्ट पिकिंग। ठीक है, तो जो इनफॉर्मल वर्कर्स हैं उनको इसमें बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप नहीं मिल रहा। एक और शब्द यूज हुआ है पूरे आर्टिकल में, दे हैव ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज, आया था कहीं पे पैराग्राफ में, लास्ट में कहीं पे है, दे हैव ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज। व्हाट इज ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज? ठीक है, जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन दे आर इन्वॉल्व इन सर्टेन वर्क एंड देयरफॉर दे नो बेटर कि कैसे पिकिंग करनी है और कैसे नहीं करनी है। तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट भी आपको आंसर में लाना चाहिए कि दे हैव अ ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज टू वेस्ट पिक। ठीक है, तो ये आर्टिकल जो है ये आपको काट के रखना चाहिए, दिस आर्टिकल, इफ यू आर रीडिंग फिजिकल पेपर। ठीक है, और ये क्वेश्चन बनाते हुए आपको ये आंसर करना पड़ेगा। तो ये आंसर लिख के देंगे आप लोग? ठीक है, जस्ट 3-4 लोग भी लिख के दोगे तो आई गेट अ ब्रॉड आइडिया कि हाउ आर यू थिंकिंग एंड हाउ यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग। गॉट इट? नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 11। Should minimum support price be legalized? ठीक, this is a raging debate, GS पेपर 3। ठीक, एग्रीकल्चर इज एन इशू, वहां पे ये आएगा। अब ये आर्टिकल भी कायदे से आपको कट करके रखना चाहिए। वाई? इट इज गिविंग बोथ द साइड। क्या बोल रहा है? इफ यू लीगलाइज MSP, हो सकता है योर एग्रीकल्चरल इकोनॉमी गेट्स फॉर्मलाइज्ड, विच इज व्हाट गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग टू डू। टैक्स कलेक्शन बेटर हो सकता है, मंडीज माइट रिवाइव एटसेट्रा। तो ये पढ़ के 6-7 प्रो पॉइंट्स आपको एक जगह लिखने चाहिए एंड 6-7 नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स एक जगह लिखने चाहिए। अगर वो कर सकते हो गुड एनफ, नहीं कर सकते मार्क इट विथ हाइलाइटर एंड कट दिस राइटअप। ठीक है, यही सबसे क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं। राइट अ क्वेश्चन, राइट अ क्वेश्चन। लिखो लीगलाइजिंग MSP, लीगलाइजिंग MSP can help government in formalizing agriculture sector of India। ठीक, इसी में लिखो डू यू थिंक दैट the farmers demand to quit WTO is justified। ठीक, तो आप जब पढ़ोगे इसको you will get to know they have used the term deglobalization। what is deglobalization? You are turning protectionist। Not only India, every country down there is trying to close its economy। तो ये सब टर्म आपको पिक करके आंसर्स में यूज करने हैं। ठीक है, it has been given in first column। Secondly, they have given arguments that since government every now and again restricts your exports, they are already not following WTO orders, so it is as good as you leave WTO। ठीक है, तो ये आर्ग्यूमेंट दिया। अब इसमें 2 स्कॉलर्स के नाम दिए, लेफ्ट में देखिए, लखविंदर सिंह एंड सिराज हुसैन। ठीक, बहुत अच्छा होगा अगर आप इन दोनों को कोट करते हुए जीएस में आंसर लिखो, अगर बहुत अच्छा होगा इफ यू कैन रिमेंबर। इफ नॉट फाइन, बट इफ यू कैन रिमेंबर यू विल गेट एन एज इन आंसर राइटिंग। गॉट इट? और अब 100 बार आपको जो मंथली मैगजीन जो आप उठा के पढ़ते हो उसको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, परेशान नहीं होना, उसको ऊपर ऊपर से स्किम रीडिंग करनी है फॉर योर प्रीलिम्स, बट फॉर योर जीएस मेंस पर्सपेक्टिव these scholars become very important. ठीक है, you can quote this write up that in Hindu the write up name was should minimum support price be legalized, according to these two scholars it should be legalized. Why? 3-4 grounds. इतना याद करना है, ठीक है। और आप लोग डेली भी नहीं लिखोगे, डेली पढ़ो पेपर, संडे एक दिन रखो अपने लिए एंड द होल वीक थिंग जस्ट जॉट डाउन इन अ डायरी, ठीक है। एक डायरी रखेंगे आप लोग। जिनको इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम है वो एक डिक्शनरी खरीदेंगे। कौन सी? नहीं, मरियम वेबस्टर की डिक्शनरी आती है, थिजोरस आते हैं, वो खरीद के रखेंगे आप लोग, ठीक है। कीप इट अच्छा, प्लीज बाय मरियम वेबस्टर्स डिक्शनरी एंड कीप इट इन योर बैग। आते जाते उसको यूज, यू हैव टू यूज इट एनी हाउ। गॉट इट? I would expect an answer on this question also. ठीक, now come to page number 12. News in numbers, got it? News in numbers. Come to third news in number, the investment for semiconductor plant in India. Got it? You should remember these numbers. Why? GS paper 3, industries. There you can quote that how India is moving to critical sector. Semiconductor is a critical sector. Got it? Now write a question. Write a question. What are the locational factors? What are the locational factors for setting up semiconductor plants in India? What are the locational factors for setting up semiconductor plants in India? Got it? Now, in coming days, you will find lot of news that this plant is coming here, this plant is coming there, and what are the problems the semiconductor industry faces in India. Okay? Keep this question broadly in your mind and start collecting the facts and arguments with regard to this question. GS paper 1, geographical locational factors for industry. Okay? This is in your syllabus. Got it? Repeat the GS paper 1, locational factors. GS paper 1, geographical locational factors. Now come to the main news on cross voting in Rajya Sabha elections. Got it? Now this write-up basically is saying that cross voting has not been covered within the 10th schedule, anti-defection. 10th schedule deals with what? Defection laws. Okay? Where when you have voluntarily left the party, then you can be disqualified. Now, the Congress government in Himachal Pradesh, they have disqualified 6 MLAs, but have they disqualified MLAs for cross voting or something else? Something else. Why? Because cross voting is allowed. Okay? When you read various judgments of Supreme Court, when you read anti-defection law, it allows you to for cross voting. Got it? But Congress has used that these 6 MLAs were not present during the time of passing of the budget. Okay? And they have defied the whip of the party. What is whip of the party? Whip जो होता है, it can be said to be a leader on the floor of the house. Okay? And generally the ruling the party appoints one whip, and whip gives an order that all MLAs should be present and vote in favor of something or not vote on something, and they have to follow the whip. Whip is covered under defection laws and all. Therefore, Congress has dismissed these 6 MLAs for not following the whip during the budget day. They have not used cross voting. Got it? Write a question. Write a question. Likho, by bringing about various legal implications around cross voting in Rajya Sabha elections by bringing about various legal implications of cross voting within Rajya Sabha election, comma, do you think that the Supreme Court needs to revisit its judgment in Kuldeep Nair versus Union of India 2006. Kuldeep Nair versus Union of India 2006. Kuldeep Nair versus Union of India, year is 2006. Got it? So once you are done with this write-up, you will understand that in Kuldeep Nair, Supreme Court has given certain interpretations. Because of those interpretations, the cross voting does not come into defection premise, and therefore it has become very easy for the MLAs to cross vote against their own party interest. Got it? एक फैक्ट दिया हुआ है इसमें, आप आइए कॉलम वन पैराग्राफ 2 and 3. So in this, earlier there was even no need to go for voting within legislative assemblies. Why? Because once a party has nominated that these people are going to Rajya Sabha, they could automatically go to Rajya Sabha because they always had the numbers. Indirect voting होती है राज्य सभा में, ठीक है? How do you vote for Rajya Sabha? How do you nominate? You just give the names and you just tell this that like Sonia Gandhi, she got the nomination from Rajasthan Assembly because they knew they had the numbers. ठीक है? Abhishek Manu Singhvi, they thought they had numbers in Himachal Pradesh. Why? Congress government is in majority. There was not even need for voting. Earlier, this used to be a pattern because the government of the day used to know they had numbers in the state assemblies. But what has happened in, during coalition era, etc., that lot of time there is lot of cross voting. Even Samajwadi Party in UP, lot of MLAs did cross voting, and BJP could manage one extra seat of Rajya Sabha from the UP assembly. Got it? तो ये फैक्ट यहाँ दिया हुआ है कि पहले you need not to have even go for voting in state assemblies for Rajya Sabha, but this has changed now because of cross voting. Got it? Read this whole article and based on this question jot down just 5-6 major points. That is it. इससे ज्यादा नहीं करना आपको. Got it? Now come to below news. Is NATO membership in the cards for Ukraine? Got it? This is a prominent news of the century or the decade, you can say that NATO is expanding. Which country has joined NATO recently? Sweden also. I think yesterday they got a go ahead to join NATO. So two major countries which have joined NATO are Finland and Sweden. These both countries used to be what? Neutral countries. So what are neutral countries? You should know. Got it? Secondly, which country became neutral first, Sweden or Finland? Pakka? Nahin. Sweden is a neutral country since the time of Napoleon. This fact again came in Hindu, I think 2 days back. Got it? Pre-May they may ask the question that two countries which recently joined NATO were neutral. The term neutral is 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Got it? Second option they may give, Sweden was neutral ahead of Finland. True or false or something of that sort. You have to start picking these threads now. UPSC is asking these kind of questions only. Got it? Now, you should also know when you read this write-up that how many members of NATO are there in present times? Which are the members? What is the commonality of membership between European Union and NATO members? ठीक है, आपको वो दोनों मैच करना होगा. Pre में they may ask you that following members belong to both NATO as well as European Union. ठीक है, तो ऐसे आपको प्री के लिए भी फैक्ट्स याद होने चाहिए. Got it? So, is NATO membership in cards for Ukraine? Write a question. Write a question. Likho. What do you understand by mutual defense? Mutual defense. MUTUAL, mutual defense. ठीक है? Because do you think that Ukraine joining NATO will automatically get the benefit of mutual defense? The benefit of mutual defense. देखो इसी में लिखो, why do you think EU members are divided? Why do you think European Union members are divided amongst themselves with regard to Ukraine's membership to NATO? Ukraine's membership to NATO. Got it? So Article 5 of NATO defines what is mutual defense. What is mutual defense? That if one country of NATO is being attacked, all other countries will automatically go to help that country. Now, if Ukraine joins it, there is already an attack on Ukraine. Therefore, automatically Ukraine will get the benefit of mutual defense. Now, there are a few facts which can be used in prelims. Come to third column. First paragraph, last 3 lines. There is one city which has been mentioned, Avdiivka. Got it? AVIDIVK. Got it? And second is Bakhmut city. Got it? Bakhmut city. Now, you should keep picking the city names around the world. UPSC can ask you to match the following, और जो नया ट्रेंड चला है, how many pairs correct, how many pairs incorrect. Why? When you will come to Middle East, Yemen, Houthi crisis, etc., lot of cities are being mentioned there. When you come to Gaza Strip and all, some cities are being mentioned there. So you don't have to rectify it. Just keep following and just jot down somewhere. You will be able to select the odd one out. Got it? याद नहीं कर सकते ये, but you have to familiarize yourself with the names. Got it? So these 2 cities become important. Now come to fourth column. What about EU? Got it? Come to 6th line. European Peace Facility, EPF. Got it? European Peace Facility. You should jot it down somewhere. They can ask you that recently EPF was in news. It was with regard to which of the following? Got it? So this is a fund which European nations have come up to help militarily Ukraine. Got it? So all these terms you have to pick and jot it down. Now come to next page. Page number 13. How Atma pamphlet engages with the caste through the eyes of a teenager. ठीक, कुछ उसमें है नहीं, but when you write an essay, etc., you can always start your essay with some movie reference. Got it? Now this movie is based on the caste discrimination, etc. You can always use, वो सब भी जो आया है, 12th fail and all. Start with movie reference. Very good impression on the examiner with regard to essay. Got it? Also, in this article, a term has been used, Neo-Buddhism. 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 Okay? You should know what is the philosophy of Neo-Buddhism. Okay? It is generally linked with Ambedkar. and when Ambedkar converted en masse lot of Dalits to Buddhism, from there we see the rise again of Neo-Buddhism within India. So you should know what is the philosophy of Neo-Buddhism. That's it. इसको पढ़ना नहीं है, मूवी का नाम याद करके रखो, ठीक है. Now come to daily quiz. मिला daily quiz? इसमें come to the answer part. Come to the answer part. Fourth and fifth are important. Fourth and fifth answers are important. Balancing Rock, a popular tourist attraction in Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram is known for what? Temple architecture. Got it? And in Mahabalipuram, there is something known as Krishna's Butterball. Got it? UPSC is in the habit of picking all these questions. Okay, so just jot it down somewhere. And next news is also important. Next answer: the pagoda in Myanmar is popular Buddhist pilgrimage site. Okay, see, it might look that it's heavy, okay, to start with, but within 1 month down the line you will be familiar how to use newspaper. 1 month will be a struggle. कर लो थोड़ा सा. Now come to page number 14. Last news: stay orders of high courts won't lapse automatically Supreme Court. Got it? Now come to first paragraph, second column. First paragraph, second column. There is a judgment which has been given. Asian resurfacing of road agency versus CBI. Got it? Now, this judgment is important. Why? There is Article 142 in the Constitution of India which says that Supreme Court can do the complete justice. Got it? Now, high courts are in the practice of giving stay orders. But a lot of time, high courts do not mention the end time or the sunset clause within the stay orders. एक stay order दिया है that goes on for 2 years, 3 years, 4. They haven't mentioned the end date to it. Okay. Now, because of that, some people approach Supreme Court. Why? Because in 2018 judgment, 3-judge bench actually said that stay order automatically ends in 6 months. But Supreme Court is saying that High Court itself got its own jurisdiction. Supreme Court cannot and come sit on the jurisdiction of High Court, taking the help of Article 142. So Article 142 के judgment में this is a new development. So if a question comes on judicial activism etc. or how integrated is Indian judiciary etc., you can use all these examples. Okay, just write a question. लिखो. Why do we say that? Why do we say that Indian judicial system is an integrated judicial system? Is an integrated judicial system. लिखो, can the Supreme Court using its power under Article 142, can the Supreme Court using its power under Article 142 direct High Courts to put an end date on stay orders? An end date on stay orders. So Article 142 becomes important, and remember that judgment, that was a 3-judge judgment, bench judgment overturned by 5-judge bench. ठीक है? In which they have said we cannot force high courts to tell कि कब स्टे ऑर्डर स्टार्ट होना है, कब बंद होना है, ठीक है. दे हैव गॉट देयर ओन jurisdiction. Got it? Now come to page number 15. Leftmost news: 20 Indians sought help to return from battlefront. Are you looking into the news that few Indians have accused the Russian government that they are forcing them to fight on behalf of them in Ukraine? Got it? Now where this news can be put into scene? कहाँ यूज कर सकते हो आप इस न्यूज को? डायस्पोरा, ठीक है. Because there was a write-up, I think yesterday or day before, where they have actually talked about that how India should put in more immigration checks so that Indians cannot become they cannot be defrauded. क्यों, क्या हो रहा है? Lot of Indians are being lured for the better job prospects in these countries. Recently, you might have come across news that lot of people from Haryana and Punjab are lining up to go to Israel, okay, despite having the war zone area. Similarly, lot of Indians have been allured to go to Russia, okay, and there they have been forced to join the mercenary forces to fight for Russian forces. Got it? तो ये diaspora में आएगा कि how what government of India can do to protect the Indian diaspora. Got it? Write a question. देखो, commenting upon the recent trend, commenting upon the recent trend in the emigration of Indians abroad, comma, discuss what government of India can do, to protect this diaspora. ठीक, मूवी भी आई है रिसेंटली. विच मूवी? डंकी, whatever. So this is what is happening. Okay, so diaspora question is always important for GS point of view also and PSIR point of view also. Got it? Now come to rightmost news. Attacks on BSF personnel by criminals may be raised during Bangladesh talks. Where will you put this news? GS paper 3 and GS paper 2 also. International relations, bilateral relations. Okay. Now come to second column. There they have given a very important fact that since 2011, India has been following the policy of non-lethal weapon. Got it? What are non-lethal weapons? आम नहीं यूज करना, बेसिकली डरा देना, धमका देना, ठीक है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई the data shows that BSF is being at the targeted end, okay, and lot of illegal migration is happening from Bangladesh, and civilians even end up attacking the BSF jawans in the Bangladesh India area. Got it? So this is the news of internal security. Read it. This fact is important that India follows the policy of non-lethal weapons around India-Bangladesh border. Now come to last news. Cabinet okays 75,000 CR free electricity solar scheme. ठीक, first two paragraphs are important. ठीक, but give it a read because this write-up tells you about how you can secure subsidy from the government. पूरा subsidized नहीं है, you might have to take some loan also. Got it? So pre में there can be a fact that under the new PM Surya scheme, the scheme is totally subsidized. ठीक है? और second option, it's a component of collateral free loan as well as subsidy. ठीक है, वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. ये एक एक minute facts न्यूज़पेपर से उठाते हैं. Magazines generally do not cover it. Got it? Now come to page number 16. India's leopard population rises to 13,874 MP on top. Got it? तो ये पढ़ लेना, इसमें there is a trend which has been given. कहां पे there has been a rise of leopard population, कहां पे there has been a decline. Got it? Favorite UPSC type question. Come to below news. Don't segregate prisoners on the basis of caste, religion, government. Got it? It can be used as a case study in ethics paper, right? GS paper 4. Okay. Now, a case study can be made here that you are the superintendent of police, yeah, you are the superintendent of some jail, okay? And under your watch, you have come to know that there is lot of caste segregation practices going around within the jail premises. What would you do? Got it? So you should know that there is a model prison code, there is a model jail code, etc., which has been given by central government, under which there is a provision that there can be no caste segregation within the prison premises. तो वो आपको आंसर राइटिंग में यूज करना पड़ेगा. Got it? Now come to page number 17. West sending troops to Ukraine could risk nuclear war, Putin. ठीक, just read it and leave it. हाँ, राइट में एक न्यूज दी है, एटलीस्ट 24 डेड as migrant vessel sinks off Senegal. Where is Senegal? Mark it on map. Come to last paragraph, last second paragraph. The St. Louis estuary, where the Senegal River meets Atlantic Ocean, is notorious for strong currents and areas of thick mud. मिला? ये लिख के रखेंगे. Do the mapping. Where is Senegal estuary? Where is Senegal? And where you can find it on the Atlantic Ocean. Got it? ये सब ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं वर्ल्ड ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड. मार्क इन दी असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और मार्क फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ और ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. ठीक है? अगेन पिकअप ऑल दीज कंट्रीज फ्रॉम न्यूज़पेपर्स ओनली. गॉट इट? तो ये मैपिंग करेंगे आप लोग. नाउ कम टू लास्ट न्यूज. टाटा टू बिल्ड इंडियाज फर्स्ट फैब एस कैबिनेट approves 1.25 lakh crore of chip facilities. Got it? Mila? First paragraph is very important. First two paragraphs. They are telling you where these facilities are coming. Dholera and Sanad in Gujarat and Morigaon in Assam. Got it? Now I gave you one question. What are the locational factors for semiconductor industry? Got it? Use these examples. And what all is required for having a semiconductor industry? Are these locations apt for those industries? Not exactly. You need lot of fresh water for having a semiconductor industry. Gujarat has more saline water. Okay, so Gujarat is not geographically very good area for having a semiconductor industry. What are the good areas for having semiconductor industry? Mostly you can go in UP belt, yeah, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, because there is a confluence of rivers there. You can find lot of fresh water there. Got it? Gujarat में saline water है. Semiconductor fab manufacturing के लिए you need fresh water, very clean water. Got it? This is one of the locational factors for semiconductor. There is one book. How many of you are into reading books? Pakka. So there is one book, When Chips Are Down. ठीक है? Came abhi in 2024 only. You may read that book. Why? Because semiconductor is very important. You can expect an essay on it. You can expect a lot of questions in interview on it. Very mild read. Go for it. ठीक है? When Chips Are Down. Chips, semiconductor chips, uncle chips nahi. Got it? When chips are down. Now come to last page. Science. Got it? ये छोड़ भी सकते हो. Why? They are talking about rare disease. Every magazine will cover it. What is rare disease, how to define it, what is Indian policy. And Shashi Tharoor, I think, wrote a write-up yesterday or day before on rare disease. That is why this becomes important. Got it? You may just give it a read and try to understand how do you define rare disease. Every country defines rare disease differently. Got it? Now come to below wala news. Science quiz मिला? ये पूरा करना है आपको. Please start collecting all the science quiz at one place. ठीक है? बहुत questions in prelims will come from here. I'm definitely sure UPSC picks question from here only. ठीक है? साइंस क्विज मिला? इसमें नहीं है, ये ई पेपर में आता है लास्ट पेज. गॉट इट? सो एक आंख बनी हुई है वहां पे एंड कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th. They have used a term crow's feet muscle. Got it? ये लिख के रखना. Last page. It's not in physical paper. It's in e-paper. ठीक है? Generally, e-paper has one extra sheet known as science paper towards the last, missing in your physical papers. Got it? तो ये था आपका एक दिन का न्यूज़पेपर. So were you reading newspaper in this manner? So starting today, you might need 1.5 hour for the newspaper. ठीक है? Develop an affair with the newspaper. प्यार करना पड़ेगा अखबार को. ठीक है? गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड मान के लग जाओ. ठीक है? No need to read any magazine. No need to refer Yojana, Kurukshet and everything. Everything comes in Hindu only. But you should develop to pick the facts from the newspaper and start thinking on these lines. ये questions जो लिखवाए हैं मैंने. हाँ जी. Hindu का coverage is broad. Firstly. Secondly, Indian Express was doing good. But recently थोड़ा down चला गया है. ठीक? Thirdly, what you can do in Indian Express is you can just read the explained portion there. That's it. But they are in the habit of explaining rather too much. ठीक है? खांसी हो गई तो उसको 2 पन्ने तक एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. You don't need to do so much things. Got it? So stick to Hindu, one newspaper as of now. 4-5 months down the line, develop habit of jotting down all these points. Think framing your own questions. Got it? But आप एक मैगजीन योजना खरीद के रखते जाइए. पढ़ना नहीं अभी, जस्ट खरीद के रखते जाइए. उसको लास्ट में करना होता है. Once you are good with newspaper reading, one yojana hardly takes 30 minutes to finish. There is one theme. They keep repeating the articles. You don't have to do that. You have to do skim reading. And most of the theme would be repeated from the Hindu itself. So just stick to Hindu. Got it? So this was today's newspaper. Now come to yesterday's newspaper. ये समझ में आया कैसे पढ़ना है न्यूज़पेपर? ठीक है? Not exactly. If you follow Hindu the way I told you, you might not do इतना. नहीं जरूरत है. क्या कर सकते हो? Just before prelims, you can give a skim reading to PT 365 or any magazine that you would follow, but you will feel the difference that you already know most of the facts. You know better facts. Why? Because you yourself have done Googling. You have jotted down some news items here and there. How many of you are on Twitter? Do you use Twitter? Not frequently. Okay. So there is one handle on Twitter by Indian forest officer Kaswan or something. है ना? Yeah. So please follow him. He tweets lot of news on environment. And UPSC in last 2 years, it's my observation, has picked minimum 2 questions from his tweets. Got it? वो थोड़ा सा आप अगर कर सकते हो तो ऐसे टाइम पास में कर लेना घूमते फिरते. I think कासवान और पासवान, कासवान, KASWAN. ठीक है? IFS कासवान. ठीक? Just follow him. ज्यादा मत परेशान होना. Yeah, you have to make new notes. Pardon? छोड़ दीजिए. एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. I'm just telling you, those who use Twitter, you can. If not, not an issue. वो हिंदू में आ ही जाएगा घूम फिर के. ठीक है, यू हैव टू, हाँ, रिगार्डिंग नोट मेकिंग प्लीज मेक नोट्स, जैसा बताया है वैसे ही करना है, मत करो, दैट बिकम्स रियली cumbersome 1 month डाउन द लाइन, यू विल नॉट योरसेल्फ वोंट फॉलो दैट, फिर आप पेजेस ही वो करते रहोगे. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, जो ब्रॉड क्वेश्चंस है लाइक सेमीकंडक्टर एंड ऑल, लीव 2 pages. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल या रेयर डिसीज का आई टोल्ड यू, लीव 2 pages. एवरी नाउ एंड देन स्टार्ट पुटिंग 1 or 2 फैक्ट्स ओवर देयर, ज्यादा फैक्ट्स भी नहीं लिखने हैं. व्हाई? यूपीएससी जनरली आस्क क्वेश्चन 10 marker और 12 marker. देयर इज नॉट मच स्कोप टू राइट. ऑल्सो व्हेन यू स्ट्रक्चर योर आंसर, जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है वो थोड़ा ही लिखना होता है, बाकी का ज्ञान लिखना होता है. गॉट इट? सो डोंट try to over remember things, try to familiarize with terms. Got it? तो मेरे हिसाब से one diary would do. Okay, and please revise every week. If you're not revising, this exercise is of no use. Got it? Daily paper पढ़ो, Sunday को give yourself 2 or 3 hours and just jot down everything. Automatically revise हो जाएगा because you're going through 1 week's newspaper and you are writing about yourself. Got it? Now come to, yeah. तो फॉर स्टैटिक पोर्शन क्लासेस विल गो ऑन, वो तो करना ही है आपको. गॉट इट? बट व्हेन यू डू न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग, it will help definitely with your mains answer writing also. Lot of new examples. How come you will be different from those people who are just ratifying the magazines? You should be able to use examples. So I told you federalism example. You can give use of what is going on between the governor of Kerala and the government of Kerala. Those 3 bills if you mention, you will be different from everybody else. Okay? परेशान मत हो बस अभी. Just skim, familiarize yourself. 1 year down the line, आप मेरे से better position में होगे to use all these write-ups. Yeah. What if newspaper magazine have missed a point? No. आपसे अच्छा मेंबर कोई नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है? So you need to develop on your own. तो टॉपर्स जो बन जाते हैं वो बाद में बोल रहे होते हैं डोंट रीड न्यूज़पेपर, डोंट डू दिस, डोंट डू दैट. ओके, बट एटलीस्ट फॉर 6 months you should do this exercise. Okay, magazines do it on the macro level, not on micro level. Now come to newspaper 29th February. February. Page number 1. Manipur police protest against meaty outfit. Got it? What is the name of meaty outfit? फोटो के नीचे देखो दिखा है अरम्बाई टेंगोल. Got it? So a question can come. Recently an outfit Aramgai Temgol was in news. It belonged to which tribal community? मीटी, कुकू, जो भी 3-4 है मीटे वहां के. ओके, now come to page number 5. Page number 5. PM Modi inaugurates country's first indigenous hydrogen fuel cell ferry. Just give it a read. और कहां पे inaugurate किया है, you should know. Got it? Because I think 2 years back they asked some questions on where Modi visited, Magda out and etc. Got it? And how, and what is hydrogen fuel cell? How does it operate? You should know about it. Now come to below news. Forest Department officials rescue sloth bear in Shivmoga city. You should know everything about sloth bear. Got it? Where is it found in India? What kind of bears, what different kind of bears are found in India? Got it? Environment news. ठीक है? फेवरेट यूपीएससी टाइप क्वेश्चन, स्लॉथ बियर यहां मिल गया, वहां मिल गया, गॉट इट। Come to page number 6. Lead editorial, vignettes of Janus phased economy. Okay. Now this write-up actually tells you what has happened recently. Government has come up with what? White paper, and Congress has come up with a black paper. Also, government has released after a gap of almost 12 to 13 years the expenditures, consumption expenditure survey, etc. Okay, and there they are telling you how both in urban areas as well as rural areas people have increased their expenditure on consumption. This shows what? Economy is doing good. Got it? But this write-up basically introduces a concept known as dual economy. Okay, what is dual economy? One economy which is doing very well, but one economy which is doing utterly poor, like agriculture. That is why farmers are demanding MSP. Okay, now there is one topic in your GS paper 3, inclusive growth. Got it? This question, this article is related to that only. Okay, so write a question. Write a question. What do you understand by dual economy? What do you understand by dual economy? Stop. Do you think that Indian economy, do you think that Indian economy exhibits 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 the features of a dual economy? The features of a dual economy. Full stop. Substantiate your answer. Substantiate your answer. What do you understand by substantiate? If in a question they have asked you to substantiate, क्या मतलब हुआ उसका? You have to give evidences. Okay, now the two evidences that you can use here is white paper and expenditure survey. Got it? तो ये राइट अप आपको पढ़ना है, इसको प्रिजर्व करके रखोगे आप लोग. Got it? Now come to left news, lives and livelihoods. Got it? GS paper 3, inclusive growth. GS paper 3, inclusive growth. Got it? Come to left news, lives and livelihoods. Mila? I gave you a question, recent trend in Indian diaspora and what government of India can do to ensure their protection. ये इसमें दिया हुआ है इसका आंसर. Second paragraph. Second paragraph. Okay? Left editorial, second paragraph. Relate it with the question that I dictated already. Got it? Now come to left news, left editorial below point. Strength versus reason. Got it? Now, not very important, but have you heard about that recently Maharashtra government has passed Maratha reservation bill? Okay, and many times different governments have tried to do the same, but it does not pass the test of the Supreme Court. Why? They do not publish the data that how Marathas are socially and economically backward. Okay, and Supreme Court always says that you have to substantiate that why you are giving the reservation, etc. That is why they have not given the reservation under OBC. They have given extra reservation, something beyond OBC quota. Why? Because under OBC quota they might have to give the evidence, first thing. Secondly, what about the already existing OBC people? They might have revolted against it. Therefore, government has gone beyond this. Okay, but Supreme Court has said you cannot breach 50% reservation mark. Okay, so this might not stand the test of it. Secondly, a very good line has been used here, that public policy should be based on reason, not on strength. Kal ko anybody will start protesting that we have majority, we have number, give us reservation, give us seats. public policy cannot go in that direction. So this can be used as a case study in GS paper 4. Okay, write a question. Because what is public policy? What is public policy? Okay, देखो, as a bureaucrat, comma, do you think that whether majority or reason should drive public policy? Whether majority or reason should drive public policy? Majority or reason should drive public policy. Got it? Now come to next news. The economic case for investing in India's children. Very important. You should preserve this write-up. GS paper 2, children as a demographic. Got it? So, why do you need early childhood care? Because when you give early childhood care, only then you can ensure that demography turns into demographic dividend, not a demographic disaster. Okay, that is why you see there are a lot of schemes like midday meal scheme, etc. Okay, but this write-up tells you that lot of Indian children are not even able to go for basic literacy, etc. So that data becomes important. You have to preserve this write-up. First column, नीचे में one scheme has been mentioned, Nipun. See, first column, last paragraph, got it? First column, last paragraph, fourth line, Nipun. Proficiency in reading with understanding and numeracy, got it? Nipun Bharat. Nipun Bharat, got it? So this scheme becomes important, Google around it. And which ministry is doing the scheme, you should know. Got it? And preserve this write-up. Now come to next page, page number 7. India's fight against rare diseases. Okay, so there are two back-to-back write-ups. Okay, just read it, understand what is rare disease, what government of India is doing to. Now come to right news. The nagging problem of Kacha Thivu. The nagging problem of Kacha Thivu. Do you know what is Kacha Thivu, Shu? Kacha Thivu is an island, okay, and government of India actually handed over Kacha Thivu to Sri Lanka. But there are a lot of Tamil Nadu fisher folks who still go for fish hunting in that area. But what has changed is recently the courts in Sri Lanka have started punishing the fishermen. Earlier, what used to happen? The Tamil Nadu fishermen, they used to be generally prisoned behind the bar, and then government used to talk and they used to be handed over. But now the courts have started giving them punishment for like 5 years, 6 years, etc. This is a change. Now Kacha Thivu is a bilateral issue between India and Sri Lanka. That is why this news becomes important. This is an update upon the water and fish issues between India and Sri Lanka. So just give it a read and familiarize yourself what is Kacha Thivu, where is it located. You should know it. Okay. Now this data is not important, you can leave it. Now come to page number 8. On irregularities in vertical devolution. Got it? What is vertical devolution? Vertical devolution is division of taxes or resources between center and states. This is vertical devolution. What is horizontal devolution? Within states, how you distribute. Okay. Now, what has happened is recently, you know, cess is not divisible pool. Okay. tax proceeds are divisible pool. So government, what central government has started doing is they've started earning more money from cess rather than from the tax, so that you don't have to divide and give it to the states. So fiscal federalism is a very important topic in your GS paper 2 and GS paper 3 as well. Got it? So इसको आप GS paper 2 and 3 में mark करके रखो, लिखो emerging issues in federalism. Emerging issues in federalism, and arrow करके please write fiscal federalism. Fiscal federalism. Fiscal federalism. Okay. And you should cut this article and save it. Okay. Now come to next page. Page number 9. Practice and law, debating aspects of Muslim personal law. Okay. Now in this write-up, they have introduced certain terms like what is khula, okay, what is triple talaq, etc. You should just give it a read because you have UCC as a prominent issue. ठीक है, Himachal Pradesh became the first state recently to pass a uniform civil code. Got it? So all these issues become important. Okay, read it, don't preserve it. Now come to page number 10. India asked US to pro-Khalistani groups. Got it? Again, this will come in Indian diaspora. Issues of Indian diaspora. Come to below news. Nepal India official dialogue silent on landmark Pancheshwar project. Okay. Now you have to write Pancheshwar project separately. Okay. They can ask you to match go for odd one out or how many pairs are matched correctly with regard to Indian projects in Nepal, Bhutan, etc. Okay, so Pancheshwar is a very big project that India is going to do in Nepal. Okay, it's a hydro project. Now come to left news. Mizoram Assembly adopts resolution against border fence. Now there a term has been used, second paragraph, first paragraph, free movement regime, FMR. Got it? You should know everything about free movement regime. Okay? टर्म्स थोड़े से निकाल के रखो. दे कैन आस्क यू दैट रिसेंटली फ्री मूवमेंट रेजिम वाज इन न्यूज. व्हाई? ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा वो पढ़ के हुए यू शुड नो. नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 12. 3000 kg of drugs seized off Gujarat coast, 5 held. मिला? Internal security, okay, and organized crime. Internal security and organized crime. And recently, lot of ships are being held in Gujarat, Mundra port, etc. Okay, so you should understand where this is coming from. Where this is coming from generally. A triangle or वो तो है. Iran has emerged as a major center for all these things. Why? Iran is using narco-petro terrorism. Okay, what is narco-petro terrorism? Iran has petrol, gas, etc. ठीक है, and it has lot of US sanctions also. So therefore, it uses the underground market, which also links to drug mafia and markets to support terrorist activities through Hezbollah, etc. in the Syrian and Middle East area. This is known as narco petro terrorism. Okay. हाँ वो तो है ही है, वो तो ओल्ड न्यूज है. गॉट इट. लिखो यहाँ पे, जस्ट राइट डाउन नार्को पेट्रो टेररिज्म. नार्को पेट्रो टेररिज्म. या पार्डन. I'm just helping you that going forward how you should approach newspaper. Okay, a lot of time you might not even know the background, but that's why I'm saying why to need newspaper. 2 months, 3 months down the line, you will have your own background. Okay, that is why I am hell bent against only following some news magazine. वो आप करिए, वो additional है. Got it? But that will only help you with facts which are not linked with the context and the development of a news. But when you read newspaper, especially in the starting phase of your preparation, 3, 4, 5 months down the line, you will have your own context. That helps in your essays also, because you start thinking around those lines. With class, while giving background. Okay, I'll try. Okay. Now come to page number. इसमें भी आपके लास्ट में होगा नहीं, साइंस वाला. Got it? There is a quiz, jot it down. Last page. Last page, those who are accessing e-paper, you have to start picking up terms from there. There is a term, right में, early bloom of Jacinda sparks furious climate debate in Mexico. Got it? Right hand side. Early bloom of Jacinda. Jacaranda. Got it? Page number supplementary है, science वाला last page, e-paper, not in physical paper. देख लेना e-paper, ठीक है? So I think now you understand how to go about newspaper. Got it? So from today onward, for a coming week or 8 days, try to follow this pattern. Okay, I think you will be comfortable enough to approach newspaper. Okay, and in between, start identifying the scholars for your pol science. Okay, and if you can write just 1 or 2 comments of that author, that this author thinks this way, don't just cut copy paste what author is saying, write in your own words, but you should substantiate with the author's name. Okay, this way you can develop. Okay, so that is it from my side for today, 2 days newspaper. Okay, पढ़ के देखिए ऐसे. Okay.